In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an ebook to your Shopify store. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to offer digital products to your customers with ease. Let's dive right in and learn step by step how to make your ebook available to your audience. First, ensure you have a Shopify store set up and ready to go. If you're not familiar with how Shopify works, it's a user-friendly e-commerce platform that allows you to sell both physical and digital products. Our focus today is on the digital aspect, specifically ebooks. Once you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard, click on the Products tab on the left-hand side of your screen. This will direct you to the section where you can manage all inventory and begin the process of adding your ebook. Now, hit the Add Product button located at the top right corner. Once you're there, start by filling out the product title. Be creative and engaging, something that's faithful to the ebook's content. After that, include a detailed product description. This is where you can entice potential buyers by providing valuable information about what they can expect to learn or enjoy from your ebook. You might highlight key chapters or mention bonuses and exclusive content exclusive to this offering. Next, you need to add images. Visuals are crucial since they give potential buyers a sneak peek into your ebook. You can upload an enticing cover image to grab attention and perhaps a few sample pages to give a sense of the book's quality and style. Remember to optimize these images for the web to ensure your page loads quickly for shoppers. After you've set up your visuals, scroll down to the Pricing section. Here, you'll determine your ebook's price. When setting a price, take into account your production costs and consider what feels fair to your audience while staying competitive in the marketplace. Also, consider adjusting the Compare It price option if you're offering a discount or promotional deal. Now, let's move on to the Inventory section. Unlike physical products, you don't need to track or limit inventory for digital goods. So, you can leave the fields here blank or as default. Then, navigate to the Shipping section. Since an ebook is a digital product, make sure that This is a physical product option is not checked, a crucial step in ensuring customers do not get confused by unnecessary shipping information at checkout. For the most crucial part yet, scroll down to the section labeled Variants. Typically, ebooks don't require variants as they're sold as is, but if for some reason your product offers different formats, like PDF or EPUB, you can add those options here. Finally, access the download settings via an app like Digital Downloads from Shopify's App Store. Once installed, return to your product page and click Add File under this new section, uploading your ebook file here. With this, your customers will receive the ebook immediately after their purchase is complete. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to successfully add and sell an ebook on your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and remember, offering digital products like ebooks can be a fantastic way to diversify your online shop's offerings and reach a broader audience.